In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change voice in Heygen 2024. We'll move step by step so you can follow along and easily. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. Using Google first helps you reach the official site quickly and avoid lookalike pages. In the search box, type the word Heygen, then press enter. You should see the official Heygen result at the top. Click that result to go to the website. Once you're on the Heygen homepage, look for the Create option. Click Create, and then choose Create a Video. This takes you into the project area where you set up your video. When the option appears, select Create in AI Studio. That opens the AI Studio workspace, which is where most of the editing and configuration happens. Inside AI Studio, focus your attention on the right side of the screen. There's a panel that controls key settings for your project, including the voice your avatar or narration will use. Find the voice setting there. If the choices aren't visible, look for a small arrow or caret beside the voice label. Click that arrow to expand the full voice menu. With the menu open, you'll see a library of available voices. Browse through the list to find one that matches your tone, language, or style. Voices often vary in energy, clarity, and accent, so think about your audience and the mood you want to convey. When you find a voice you like, click it once to select it. The selection applies to your project immediately and becomes the default for your script or avatar lines. A few practical tips as you choose. Keep the same voice across scenes for a cohesive feel. For conversational videos, pick a natural, friendly tone. For tutorials or explainers, a clear and neutral option usually works best. If the interface looks slightly different, it's likely a layout update. The voice control is still on the right panel near the other audio options. And if you're asked to sign in before proceeding, that's normal. Just continue with your account to access the studio. That's all it takes. You navigated to Heygen, created a project in iStudio, opened the voice control, and selected the voice you want. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating with your new voice in Heygen.